So, an article reports that 34% of American fathers help take care of the kids, or don't take care of the kids. Okay, then a researcher says in Littleton that it's higher. So, what we're going to do is set up our hypotheses. So, then we're going to assume that the researcher in Littleton is incorrect, that the fathers in Littleton is the same proportion as the fathers nationally, but now we're going to say that they're greater than. That supports the researcher's claim. We need the sample statistic, which tells me 97 divided by 230 is about 0.42. Well, based on that one sample, it looks higher, but we know how samples can vary. So the next guess, we need to find the standard deviation. So we're going to assume the 0.34 is true. And 1 minus 0.34 is 0.66. And we know there's 230 in the sample. And we'll take the square root of that mess. And I'm getting a standard deviation about 0.03 rounded to 2 decimal places. So now we need a z-score. So the sample result was 0.42. The supposed population mean is 0.34 over 0.03. That gives me a z-score of 2.7 if I round. So now we're going to look at table B. So we're going to look up the z-score of 2.7, which means this area here is at the 99.65 percentile. Because HA is a greater than, we want that tail area. And so the way we do that is we're going to subtract 1, take that probability and subtract it from 1. So 1 minus 0.9965 is a pretty small probability. So it looks like, to finish this so we don't have to do this for this question, to make a decision, that is such a small p-value that it looks like we can reject HO. It looks like the research is correct. The Littleton fathers are more caring and help take care of their families.